Okay guys, Liz Holterhouse here from OBX for sale at Keller Williams. I'm located on the Outer Banks in North Carolina. And the next thing I want to show you is these LED lights. And these are LED solar lights. They are so incredibly bright. You can change colors on these. We just kind of have them on this kind of bluish color now. They're not like traditional lights. There's so many little light bulbs inside of there. We've got one here. They're super bright compared to the ones we've tried in the past. You know, we want them to kind of accent certain parts of the landscape without creating a lot of light pollution, and these are just amazing. So we've got two here, two over there, and it just kind of gives the backyard a soft glow as people are checking in. It's just not totally dark back here, but it doesn't add to light pollution, so you can easily still see the sky and the stars and stuff at night. So absolutely beautiful, and we're super happy with them.